And the government, of course, has come out and expressed its disappointment over the Supreme Court ruling criminalizing gay sex, even as it looks at options to reinstate the landmark 2009 Delhi High Court order. As hope builds that the matter will be taken to Parliament, the Trinamool Congress, National Conference and the JDU too have backed the Delhi High Court order. But the Samajwadi Party has struck a discordant note backing the Supreme Court verdict.
Anji sir, you're getting a lot of support from politicians. Sonia Gandhi has also come up in support. What do you feel about this?
First of all, I thank Sonia Gandhi and I thank every politician who's come to our aid. And I think they also realize that there's a huge constituency, not just LGBT, but a lot of people are wondering what kind of laws are these that are going to be imposed, which are 100 years old, and people are outraged. I've got telephone calls and all, and I'm going to even go to Narendra Modi and tell him that if you're going to be a good prime minister, just think about all these silly old laws which are antiquated, which are going to take us back to 100 years and are going to be a cause of needless harassment and extortion and blackmail to hundreds and lakhs of LGBT. Okay. And it's going to be very difficult for us to work on this, with the government health programs if this is the case.
Okay. So now that the matter has come back to the Parliament, do you really, would you appeal to all the parliamentarians that they should keep aside all their bias and think in terms of the community?
I think, we are going to now start serious lobbying with our MPs. That's also an option. It was a difficult option because Parliament is always in turmoil and the priorities that are there are very different priorities. And maybe we don't come high up in those priorities. That was our worry. But the implications of this now ripple effect in the rest of society is telling this MPs also that this is going to affect them one way or the other. And all their constituents, are in danger. So they are also understanding and reading. So Milind Deora has come out. So many others. I suppose the BJP being a conservative party is still hiding in the closet. In more ways than one, but the point is they are.
We are against it. We take it to be most unethical and immoral act. So we, at that time also we opposed it. And again, when the Supreme Court decided yesterday, we supported the decision of the Supreme Court. फीसदी विरोध करेंगे, 100%। ये बहुत ही अनैतिक और देश की मान्य परंपराओं और मर्यादाओं के खिलाफ है। इसलिए इस तरह का अगर कोई भी प्रस्ताव आता है, कोई भी विधेयक आता है सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले को पलटने के लिए, समाजवादी पार्टी इसका विरोध करेगी।
उसका वो कर सकते हैं। एक तो विकल्प उनके लिए कि एक ऑर्डिनेंस लेके आए कि जैसे हाईकोर्ट ने कहा था कि जो स्वीकृति से जो नौजवान है और गुप्त रूप में अगर वो यौन संबंध करते हैं, अभी संसद कितने दिन के लिए बैठता किसी को मालूम नहीं है, उसके बाद लेकिन 6 महीने के अंदर उनको संसद को उसका अप्रूव भी करना पड़ेगा, स्वीकृति भी करनी पड़ेगी। एक तो ये राय है, नहीं तो बाद में उनको तभी मौका मिलेगा जब नई सरकार बैठती है। एक तो ये है। दूसरा है कि जैसे मैंने कहा कि वो कोर्ट में भी अपना रिव्यू पिटीशन फाइल कर सकते हैं।
My party in 2009, when the Delhi High Court judgment had been announced, we had welcomed it, and we have said that you can't criminalize same-sex relations which are consensual. I mean, this is not a crime. This is dependent on the individual. And how can you criminalize any kind of alternate sexuality? And therefore, we believe that the Delhi High Court judgment was the correct judgment.